Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. English channel. I am Emily.
And I am Paul. Hello, friends. How are you today?
I am very good, thank you. And you, Paul?
I am good too, thank you.
Today, we will learn how to talk about rain, sun, and snow in English.
Yes, this is very useful. You can use it every day to talk about the weather.
First, let's talk about rain.
Rain is water from the sky. It is wet.
For example, it is raining today.
Or, I take an umbrella when it rains.
You can ask, is it raining today?
Let's repeat. Is it raining today?
Yes, it is raining.
No, it is not raining. Now, let's talk about sun.
The sun is bright and warm.
For example, it is sunny today.
Or, I like sunny days.
You can ask, is it sunny today?
Repeat slowly. Is it sunny today?
Yes, it is sunny.
No, it is not sunny.
Next, let's talk about snow.
Snow is white and cold. It falls from the sky in winter.
For example, it is snowing today.
Or, I like to play in the snow.
You can ask, is it snowing today?
Repeat slowly. Is it snowing today?
Yes, it is snowing.
No, it is not snowing.
Here is a short story. Yesterday, I looked outside.
What was the weather?
It was sunny in the morning. Then it rained in the afternoon.
Good. You can say it is sunny, rainy, or snowy. You can also say the time.
Let's repeat the important words.
Rain, sun, snow, sunny, raining, snowing, umbrella, cold, warm.
And important verbs is, take, like, play.
Use these words every day to talk about the weather.
Friends, try to write one sentence about today's weather.
Yes, write it in the comments. We want to read your sentences.
Thank you for listening to Mr. English Channel.
Yes, thank you. We hope you enjoyed learning English with us.
Don't forget, subscribe, like, and share.
And here is your practice question.
Say this sentence. It is blank today. Fill the blank with rain, sun, or snow.
Great. See you next time.
Bye-bye, friends.
Bye.